The first thing I want to talk about is the problems with our cases being approved so fast. I've done lots of videos where I talk about how we can have your case done in 5 weeks. And this is LA County specifically. Other counties, I can have your divorce complete in 3 months. So let's talk about the LA County cases. The reason we're able to do those so quickly is because of the e-file system. And this is why I tell you, if you're going to hire someone that does what I do, or anyone for that matter, make sure they're doing the e-file. Otherwise, your case is going to take just as long as everyone else's, 3 or 4 months. So with LA County, we can e-file your initial petition. That's how we start the process the same day. And we usually get those filed the same day, usually within a few minutes to an hour, and we have a case number. Following that, we draft your settlement agreement. I send out a worksheet to collect your terms and all that good stuff. And as soon as you guys sign that, we can get that ready for filing, and we can submit that at the 5 week mark. What happens when we get those filed at the 5 week mark? The court is approving those. They are approved by the court, and then the date, effective date of your divorce is written on there as 6 months out from when we got the process started, which usually is like 5 months later. So the problem that with us doing it so fast is in 5 weeks we're done. And then 5 months later, when the final divorce date passes, it happened 3 times a day. That's why I want to talk about it. 5 months later, when the divorce date passes, I get emails from my clients say, Tim, our divorce was done 3 weeks ago. I haven't received anything in the mail. I said, I gave that to you 5 months ago, the final divorce paperwork. And I tell that to them rather in the email, and send them their final copy, their final judgment. And they acknowledge it. They're like, thanks. I say, hey, make copies as your final paperwork. They acknowledge it. And then they still, not everyone, but a good percentage, email me, say, Tim, the date's passed. When do we get the divorce decree? And I'll say, that is your divorce decree. That's it. There's nothing fancier coming in the mail. That is your final stuff. So I wanted to go over that. It's kind of jokingly, that's the problem with us doing it so fast. People don't think that's their real paperwork, but it is.